Customizing the ribbon. If you want to have your own tab here with most frequently used options, then you can add it. How? Just right click here, customize the ribbon, and then new tab. Just rename the tab name, daily usage, and then here whatever you want to create the group you can create. So rename main, then SQL. In the main you can now add whatever option you want to add here, just like home, font. So I add font here, and then in SQL data connections, and add connections. Okay, so this is my daily work, and here I can see I have added the connection and font. So whatever options you want to add, you can make your own customized menu and ribbon, and accordingly you can add the different options.